So today we'll be learning Chashma. This video has been flipped for your convenience. So the first set of moves are like going in and out, and it actually goes in and out on each beat. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then right, go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And so what's happening there is while our legs are moving in and out, our body is slowly going towards the left and then it slowly goes towards the right. And what we're doing with our arms, we're putting it in a fist, so you're not fist bumping people, and then putting in a fist, and then it goes diagonally down. So as I move to our left, the first time we're going to our left, my right arm is going and fist bumping downwards. Okay, but it goes in progressions of 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and then 4, clap. And then with the other side with our arm, we go 1, 2, 3, and clap. So putting our knees and our arms together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And as you saw, when we clap, the knee actually goes back to out as well. Easy. Cool. Going to the next set of moves. So we've ended here, right? What we're doing is going, look at my awesome sunnies, look at my awesome sunnies, and then DJ, okay? So what's happening here is step first with our left. We're using our right hand to point at our glasses, right? Because I say, Carla Chashma. So pointing to our glasses, and then stepping with our right, pointing to our glasses, getting as close as possible to the audience member, in this case, the camera. And so you know how you see DJs do this? It's like that same movement, but like this. Starting from here, we just ended this, right? Forward, forward, DJ. The next set of moves, 1, right foot back, 2, left foot back, 3, right foot back, 4, hop, and join together. And we're doing that on our hands, going around in a semicircle. My arm is gonna go from right to left. Alrighty, so while we're doing this move, you got 2 options. If you want to be like Trina Kaif, you can go and put your hand on your waist, or if you want to be like Siddhartha Malhotra, you can go and put your hand down. So either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Your choice. And that's part 1 done. Let's go ahead and do that part with music. We'll do it slow first, and then we'll do it fast later. The move that starts from here, then we start walking backwards. There's a double jump, and so we can go straight into that next move. It helps us in terms of momentum, so it's just a matter of hop hop. So this is the most notorious move from Carla Chashma, and it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. As you heard, there's those half beats in it. Let's just focus on the leg. What happens is my left leg kicks up and goes down. That's for 1 and. Then what happens with my knees? They pop out. 2 and then 3 and. We are twisting with our right. Twist out. Then what happens? The whole time we are going to keep our hands in this okay format. Like everything is good. Here with the 1 and. My left arm is getting pulled out. Just imagine a string and it's attached to the elbow and it goes whoop. So that's what happens there. 1 and. Now we're 2 and. Okay signs? And we go 2 and. So just bringing the elbows back. Oh yeah, when people go skiing, right? And then they do that, it's like that. And then 3 and. The left hand goes to our head and this arm gets pulled back. So doing that together, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and then the 4 is just the hold. So 1 and 2 and 3 and hold, and then we go back into 1, 2, 3, 4. we're done with part 2. Okay. Here. Cool. Let's do it with music for part 2. We ready to do part 3, people? Okay, so part 3 is pretty simple. We've already got this complicated part done, right? So part 3, what's happening here? Left leg goes out, and we crisscross. And then right leg goes out, and then we crisscross. My arm is going to come close to my chest, and I cross over. It's going to be a straight line like this. Cross right, left arm comes in, and then cross left, and then right arm comes in. And then the next set of moves after that, we went 3, 4, and we're facing towards our right. What happens here? A shoulder roll, going forward. So it goes 1, 2, then we go 3, and just shrugging, 3, and like the shrug emoji. So shoulder roll 1, shoulder roll 2, 3, and then 4. Michael Jackson. We're getting on our toes and pointing, and we end it like that. And that's part 3 done. We'll do it with music, slow, and then fast.
सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू सड़कों पे
Let's do it from the beginning. We'll do it with music, slow, and then fast. If you want to learn any tutorials of any Indian songs, North Indian or South Indian, let me know in the comments below. A shoulder roll.
तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटरीना तो सोनी में
Like Bhangra. I can't try to say it just for you. Bhangra.